In this video, we are going to talk about earn $436 for typing names, Easy Typing Jobs 2022. So before starting this video, please like this video and subscribe to our channel for the future updates. What is a typing job? A typing job is any job that pays you to type. How much can I expect to make working as a typist? It is possible to make as little as $1 an hour or as much as $95,000 a year. What kind of typing jobs can you do from home? Data entry work. This is one of the simplest jobs you can undertake from the comfort of your own home. Working from home data entry jobs may need that you create a spreadsheet by entering data, enable a company's computers to process data, ensure the accuracy of the data and make any corrections, do a little preliminary research. Alternatively, microtasks like typing up receipts might be performed. Virtual assistant. As a virtual assistant, VA, you may be asked to do activities such as the process of entering data, composing blog entries, work in the administrative field, management of social media. If you're an independent contractor for a client, one of your primary duties will be to assist them with jobs that they'd prefer not do on their own. This sort of work from home job is typically enticing because of the sheer diversity of duties. For example, if you can combine social media management with strong customer service or understand newsletter optimization, you should expect to make more money. Online chat jobs. This is a great typing job for folks who want to work from home. Agents assist consumers through online text chat. Chat agents make an average of $15 per hour, full-time or part-time. Source. This online job involves familiarity with the firm as you will be answering questions about them. While some firms need technological competence, many just want ordinary agents with fast and precise typing abilities. So this may be a good entry-level job for you. Stay with this channel to get more future updates. Thanks for watching.